Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Today's video is going to be me picking this Ingersoll lock, which was sent to us by John Eggington, so thank you very much for the lock, mate. That's the key, so it's got bit in both sides of the keys, which interact with 5 levers on the top and 5 levers on the bottom. So the way that the lock works is, once this is in, it aligns the levers in such a way that between the levers is a channel running through in which the sidebar can retract into, allowing the plug to turn, like so. Plug turns, which allows the double ball locking mechanism, the ball bearings, to fall into a gap, and then the shackle comes out. I did this last time, I don't know why. It doesn't like being under tension. Now it comes out. So I'm gonna lock this in good and proper. Let's see if we can get it picked on camera. I have picked one of these before, but this one is a lot harder than the one that I've got for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. Right, so when we're picking from either side. So if you're picking the bottom levers, I found it more beneficial to have the tension wrench at the top, so then you can lever off it without affecting any of the levers on the top. So let me just bend that back into position. So it does require a lot of tension, this lock, so let's just see how we fare. So 1 went loose, I did pick a little bit. 2's loose, 3's loose, 4 is, and 5. Swap the tension wrenches round, keeping the tension on. One's loose, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is, 5 went a little bit. So because 5 went a little bit, I'm now curious to go through the top ones again to see if anything else is set, because obviously the plug would have rotated a tiny amount, which changes the full lock. Happy with that. So then I'll move to the bottom. See what's clucking down these ends. One's overset. Nothing off 2. 3 set. One's overset again. I'm just going to leave him alone for now. 3 set on the top row as well. One's just set, 2 did, 3 set, 4 is. I'll check the bottom first. 1 set, 2 could go further, I think. 3 set, 5 set, 4 I'm not too sure about. One's just went further, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, 5. One's definitely set, 2 isn't. 2 is now, 3 is. 4's binding. 5 is now set, so double check the bottom again. 1's good, 2 is, 3 is, 4's just about there I think, 5 is. Right, so check the top. 1 set, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is. Let's see it. 5 is our last lever on the top shelf. There you go. The Ingersoll bites the dust. So if we just set that aside for 2 seconds, I'll be able to show you the inner workings of this lock. If I can find my screwdriver. So in here, see the ball bearings? So to take this lock apart, you just reach down to there and unscrew it. Two screws, the anti-drill plate, get this bugger out somehow. That's it. So ball bearings, you've got the rubber ring. So as the lock is at the minute, I'm really going to try and get this so it's good. It's good, 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 good. Right, so when it's locked, see how all of those levers are all mix matched? So that means that this sidebar can't retract fully. So the sidebar, when in the lock position, sits in that groove there, which means you can't open it. Now, when the lock has the key in, or it's being picked, when you slide this key in, watch, all of those levers align, see? And then that can sit in there flush, which allows the full thing, the plug, to spin. So that's all there is to it really. Let's just show you that again. While it's out, you put the key in and it aligns all of those levers inside, like that. which means there's a clear path straight up the centre for that to fall into, allowing this sidebar to be flush with the plug, allowing this to turn, and when it turns, these parts go opposite to where the ball bearings are. So in the lock position, the ball bearings will be against here, and when the lock turns, it allows the ball bearings to fall in, allowing the shuttle to come out. So that's all there is to it. Loads of tension, careful picking, just nudge those levers bit at a time, same as like in my last video when I explained how to pick a high security lock. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. John, thanks again for the lock. This is coming back to you today, first class. If you liked the video and you thought it helped you, please hit the like. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave your kind comments or any feedback that you've got for us, or any locks that you might want us to pick. Anybody who's got locks that they're sick of and they want a good place or a good home, please come to my About page and send them to me. Once I'm done with them, I'll send them back to you, or I'll pass them on. And also, please check out our Lock Sport Anonymous Facebook group, which is a wicked group full of great people. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.